Let me share my reflection from the Gospel according to Matthew, chapter 25, verses 1 to 13. I was struck by verse 3 when Jesus said, "The foolish ones took their lamps but did not take any oil with them." Have you experienced being stalled when you are driving only to realize you ran out of fuel? Well, I have. And I can vividly remember all of the 3 times it happened to me. The first time was in Cavite. My everyday commute then was 1 hour to Laguna in the morning and another hour back to Cavite in the afternoon. Before leaving the house in the morning, I already noticed the fuel gauge to be pointing on the letter E. Sabi ko pa nga, E for enough pa. I told myself at the first opportunity I will refill. On my way home in the afternoon, I decided to drop by our main office, about 4 kilometers from home. When I passed by a speed bump, the car suddenly stopped. Then I realized after checking everything that I was out of fuel. I was fortunate that it did not happen in the secluded places that I passed by. It could have been worse. The second time it happened, I was parked along Fields Avenue beside our then barber shop, now the McDonald's, in a hurry to meet someone, and the car wouldn't start, only to realize I was out of fuel. I didn't make it to the meeting. The third time it happened, I was with my family on our way back to Angeles after Ballet GA. My wife already reminded me that the tank was almost empty. I said we have enough to reach Balibago. We were in Pandan roundabout when the car stopped. My family was scared and I had to leave them in the vehicle to get fuel nearby. In all the 3 instances, I did not run out of fuel. I did not have enough fuel to begin with. I saw the indicator and ignored it. Not only once but 3 times. The third time somebody else reminded me, but I still did not have the sense of urgency. I knew it was coming, but I was not actually sure when the car would stop. I had to experience it 3 times to learn my lessons. But honestly, it was 3 times that I was told, but there were several instances more that I almost ran out of fuel. In the gospel today, there were 5 bridesmaids who were called foolish because they did not bring oil. They did not run out of fuel, but they did not have enough to begin with, and they knew. They also had the opportunity to buy while waiting for the groom, but they did not do so. That is why when the time came to light their lamp, the lamps were immediately going out. When they finally decided to buy oil, they already missed the groom. Which area in our life are we remaining foolish? When the Lord comes and we do not know when, that is, are we prepared to meet Him? Are there sins we have not repented for? Are there people we have not forgiven? Have we wronged people and have not yet made amends? Whatever it is that is not of the Lord, these are the things we have to work on. These are the things we need to settle so that whenever the Lord comes, we are ready and we will not miss Him. We know what these are. Let us make it a priority to settle them with a sense of urgency. May we not be like the 5 foolish bridesmaids who already knew what was needed but did not prepare until they ran out of time. May we take the example of the 5 wise bridesmaids, always ready with what is needed and more. They did not miss the groom. May we also not miss the Lord when He comes. Amen.